10-gallon air compressor. The ultra-quiet air compressor consists of a lightweight storage tank, handle, and wheels for easy portability. Our portable air compressor uses an 8-gallon pressure tank fitted with a 2 HP oil-less motor that delivers 110 V, 8.76 CFM at 115 psi, and 3,450 RPM. The oil-free air compressor uses a dual tube and dual cylinders for simultaneous air intake, and the intake tube is made of 392 degrees F high-temperature resistant silicone and stainless steel braided mesh. 70 quiet air compressor. Ultra-silent air compressor is equipped with 2 high-quality silencers, which consist of the thickened muffler and filter cotton, which can effectively reduce the working sound of the air compressor. The highest decibel is only 70 decibels, which makes the air compressor can work in most occasions. High performance. The oil-free air compressor is made of an anti-rust and wear-resistant layer, plastic powder adhesion layer, and Q235B structural steel, which makes the air compressor have a longer service life. Top pressure tank provides adjustable air pressure in the range of 0.115 psi, and it only takes 70 seconds to fill the empty tank to the maximum pressure. Safety portable. The ultra-quiet air compressor is equipped with 2 cooling fans and overheat protection, which enables the portable air compressor to shut down automatically and cool down quickly when it is in a high heat condition to protect human and machine safety. When the internal pressure is below 70 psi, the motor will restart for about 30 seconds, and when the pressure is too high, the motor will automatically shut down again, or provide pressure relief protection.